we're here at Blaze Pizza, and we're gonna go in, check it out. Never been here before. It's in Syracuse, New York, so let's go check it out. We're gonna get the original.
Okay. Is it vegan? So you want like
Vegan, yeah.
And are you getting any sauces? I love that camera.
Oh yeah. Is just the red sauce is vegan?
Is the red sauce vegan?
Take that out.
Okay.
Yeah.
Is that enough cheese? I mean, sorry, I said cheese. Sorry.
Yeah, that's enough. Vegan cheese.
Do you want more cheese than that?
That's good.
And you want the spicy chorizo, you said?
Yeah. Could I get some of the roasted red peppers?
All right, anything else?
That's good for me.
Sea salt or oregano? How's that looking for you?
That was good.
Thank you.
Oh, it's just garlic?
Yeah, you want me to try to get fresh garlic?
No, that's fine. As long as there's no dairy or anything. No. I'm fine with that.
It looks like you got the same thing as I got.
Oh,
Yeah, basically.
Really?
How's that looking?
Good. Would I be able to get some banana peppers? Or maybe some red onion, actually.
I would have had my eyelashes on if I knew we was taking pictures.
Is the buffalo or barbecue sauce good, you know?
This is red hot buffalo sauce. This is sweet. Do you want to taste it? I can give it to you.
I just want to know if it's vegan first.
Oh no.
It's not?
I don't think so. I don't think so.
Do you have the bottle for it so I could check
Yeah.
it? Smells really good.
Yeah.
They use,
They cooked it real quick, too.
yeah, they did, and they use special cutters for us too.
Yeah.
All right, guys, we're here at Blaze Pizza. I've never been here before. I've heard a lot about it. They have vegan cheese, they have vegan chorizo, several different crusts, and I got the original crust with some vegan cheese, chorizo, and the red pepper with some buffalo sauce on it. And I'm gonna enjoy it. Over here we have Craig's Pizza, which he got almost the same, but he had onion and bell peppers, or banana peppers. And the customer service here is really, really good. Yeah, I'm gonna enjoy this, and I'll let you know what I think afterwards. All right, so that was Blaze Pizza. The pizza was really good. The customer service was awesome. You can get as much as you want. They loaded it up with toppings, and it's only what, $10, and get whatever you want on it.
Yeah, they did not skimp on the cheese.
They didn't skip on the, yeah. They actually, I took a little bit of the cheese off because I got too much. It's really windy out here. I might have to redo this, but they use a separate cutter for the vegan stuff, and pleasant experience, good pizza. I'll be coming back. Check it out. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. When you do, hit the bell. Make sure you hit all notifications or else you're not going to get my videos. And watch out for zombies. I'll see you guys soon.